Hey everyone, Mike here with the watch list video for Friday, November 22nd. The SPY had a really nice reversal today, sold off and then ended up going back out near its highs and also not too far from all-time highs again. So holding up really well. I want to give one shout out. There could be several, but this is just the one that I selected, NNE. We did a good job as a room detecting that this was potential breakout. I think 2 days ago I'd put this on our radar, but then I think Kevin P, who's really good at noticing early high relative volume in stocks, and he found NNE pretty early. I'm going to go to 5-minute candles. No, yeah, okay. And this was his call. I mean, there was really no clean entry throughout this, but then he noticed that it topped at the whole number 27. You know we like whole number inflection points. Clean pullback. His idea is back through 27, right where my cursor is there, or right there, and the stop was pretty darn tight and didn't come close to stopping out. And it went up $4 from there. Just another great call. I feel like, Kevin, if you're watching this, I feel like you make the highlight video every week, every day. So anyway, I just wanted to share that, but let me go into what we're watching for tomorrow. WORX, massive volume. Closing way off its highs, though, but still worth watching. Joby, I mentioned today in chat, over 640, and then I didn't get it, and then it went over 7. But these EVTOL plays are really starting to heat up, so I'm going to keep watching it because I'm a day trader, right? Same with ACHR. Really strong. Both of those kind of tend to run together. SMR, also on watch just because the baby nukes are back in play. That one's really strong. There's no chart set up there, but it looks good, right? DJT, not much going on here. It's just gone into a sideways chop since the election. But if you look at intraday, some Bitcoin with Truth Social, it's way over my head, but had a big rip, came back down and kind of held up, right? So we'll keep our eyes on that one. Where else? BJ, nice breakout. I feel like I need to go to the 1 year. Some of these just aren't really showing you. All right, so BJ attempting a breakout here, could have a follow through day tomorrow. CRNC, big rip there. Nice call on that one too today by Kevin P. HYLN, it's extended, but that's big volume for that stock, so we're going to watch it. SAVA, S-A-V-A, big day. Up here at kind of trying to break out of this level here. Never been a fan of that stock, but I'm going to watch it anyway. QMCO. If the quantum computing plays get another round going, right, or continue, I think this is kind of what you would call a laggard. And I mean, if you look at the average volumes, maybe, I don't know, 70,000 a day or something. But today it did break over 1 million. So it's a sleeper pick. But let's watch that one, especially if the quantum computer plays get going. And that's like QBTS. And then the big one is IONQ. So that's kind of the leader. OKLO, just another one of the baby nukes, really strong. Had a short report out on it, I want to say, a few days ago, maybe this day, right, where it got slapped down. So could be some shorts that chased it short in trouble. I already talked about NNE. I like the chart. You had the really nice kind of cup and handle, and it's breaking out of that now. In that same baby nuke space, as I call it. IBG. So it looks like it's only been trading since September. Had this nice pop, pull back, and a pop again. So it's really interesting over this level. Big volume today. FBRX, nice inside day. Didn't take much volume to push it up today, though. So it's a thin one. We'll watch it. Lunar, LUNR, back up near recent highs. SMCI seems to finally I think the consensus feels like, at least looking at the chart, that okay, this was the bottom and it could be up from here. So it's pretty strong. FSLY, I like the volume spike there. Could have a follow through day. Target goes on bounce watch. TGT, A nasty day yesterday, and then it's kind of much lower volume, much more narrow range. Not a pretty daily chart, but we could get a snapback bounce. And then lastly, VRPX in after hours as I'm talking to you, it's trading at $1.13. So if that holds, it'll go on the gap playlist tomorrow. All right. So show up with me tomorrow and help me build a gap playlist, and we'll add those gappers to this list and hopefully catch some good trades on Friday.